Okay, so we're gonna try a little cold start on my Jetta here. It's hasn't been plugged in at all. It's minus 15. It's pretty cold right now. So I'll cycle the glow plugs a couple times. And it's a diesel, of course. It's an 06 with about 295k on it. So it doesn't really want to go yet here. This is the coldest I've ever had it to try it here, so. Nope. I think I might need to plug this in. Let's cycle the glow plugs a bunch of times here and see if that'll do anything for me. Nope. Getting better, but not quite yet. Oh, there she goes. Okay. Good, I'm glad it started. That would have been bad.